Hello there, it's Brandon from i3D Themes and i3D TV, and we're going to take another look at what has been going on this week in the i3D Themes Code Labs. Okay, so this week it's all about development. A couple weeks back we released Gifted, really awesome and current looking design for Dreamweaver and Expression Web. Last week, Colin launched another 5 colors, so 6 in total. This week he has activated and tweaked out almost 100 different theme sets for Gifted. So if you were waiting on a particular image set, it's probably there now. And with all the different colors that are available, that means there's nearly 600 derivatives of Gifted available for you to choose from now. So, I'd check it out, see if there's something there. I know it's a really awesome looking design. Just take a look at the demo, everything parallaxing with all the different images in it. It looks very, very sharp, okay? Also, Colin this week, he's been developing and getting ready for the next template design, he says. It looks really, really sharp. I'm not quite sure of the time frame, but I'm expecting probably by the end of November we'll have another design from him. Could be sooner. Could be sooner. He's been really working really hard at things. And then when he's not working on development and getting Gifted updated, he has been filling in the cracks, so to speak, with a bunch of little jobs this week. He says there's a lot of interest in fine-tuning WordPress these days, and that's just what's been coming to his desk. As far as how the rest of the week went for me, Monday there was a lot of development for Numo 2017 and Accelerator. Tuesday we saw another one of our website launch checklist, mini checklists, hit Facebook as well as our blog and Twitter. So what we've got is we've got a 50 or so checkpoint list of things you really need to look at when launching a website. Now, if you've already got a website, this is also really good for review. Okay, but rather than throw a really big list at you where you just get overwhelmed with all the things that you might need to work on, what we're doing is we're breaking it down into digestible chunks. So 5-point checklist every week. Take a look at these checklists. Chances are you've probably got 4 out of the 5 items already looked at. And that 5th thing, or maybe there's 2 things, who knows, you can concentrate on. And it's much easier and less overwhelming than taking an entire list going, where do I need to work on? So, of course, that's been launched this week. Next week we'll do, checklist number 3. You can, as I said, you can find all this information either by going to facebook.com/i3dthemes or going to our i3dthemes.com website, and down at the bottom page are blog posts, as well as you'll find them on Twitter. In addition, on Tuesday, we sent out our official pre-launch notification for the Accelerator website plugin. Now, if you've been paying attention to our weekly recaps for the last few weeks, you'll know that we have this new website plugin in development, and it's really very exciting. One of the key things in Google is making sure your pages load fast, right? Because nobody wants to click on a web page and go, time is it? There's something there. No, you want your pages to load fast, and so does Google. They want to display results which are, first of all, relevant, right? Can view well in all devices, so not just your desktop, but also your tablet and your mobile phone. But they also need to load fast, okay? So they have a tool out there called Google PageSpeed Insights, and it helps web developers, or at least it tries to tell web developers what it is they need to work on, okay? And the things that are in it are awesome, really great information, and it all works if you follow everything. The trouble is it can be a little bit difficult to implement if you're not a guru in this sort of domain of information, and it can be time consuming. So we are developing and have mostly gotten done this app which goes and does it all for you, and fast, like that, like it's installed and it's done, boosting your Google PageSpeed Insights scores and just really making your site super fast like that. And that's really what we're all about here at i3D Themes, giving you a great user experience, but also saving you a whole bunch of time. So that's really what's been going on here this week in i3D Themes. really, really busy. Lots of development. And that's what we expect for the next few weeks anyways, as we're trying to get these plugins and the Numo 2017 platform also completed. And if I haven't mentioned it already, in the next 10 days or so, we are going to be having an upgrade path information email out there for you. So if you already have Numo and you want to upgrade to Numo 2017, we're not going to make you rebuy all the website plugins. No, there's going to be an installation sequence. It's going to hopefully be as easy as just clicking a button and then go from there, just a wizard sort of thing. But there will be an upgrade path of some sorts. We're not quite sure yet how it's going to happen. We still have to work on that. But we'll get that information to you in the next 10 days or so. Anyways, thanks so much for joining me. We will see you again next week, especially on Wednesday when we do our information webcasts for our website plugins. We have a couple more just to finish up there. We'll get you that information on our website plugins, as well as our weekly recaps here on Friday. Thanks so much for joining me, and we'll talk to you again next week. Have a great weekend.